What is supplier experience and why is it valuable? It starts with the power of a question. What if you asked even one supplier a key question? How are we different than your other customers? What could you learn? Maybe there's more waste in your operations. Perhaps your own policies and procedures drive up costs. Maybe your specifications require suppliers to put in more expensive components. Or perhaps your internal technologies prevents you from attracting the best talent in the industry. Now imagine, instead of asking just one supplier, what if you could ask hundreds or thousands of suppliers just the right questions at just the right time across your whole procurement process? What opportunities would emerge? This is the power of experience management for suppliers.
Let's take a look at this in terms of payables and cash flow. What we'll see here is we have a summary of both positive and negative sentiment related to the early pay discount program that we're operating. This supplier sentiment data was collected by the Qualtrics Experience Management Engine by periodically polling suppliers and asking them key questions about their payables experience and why or why not they might have taken part in a discount program. Leveraging this data allows us to look into the whys behind the successes or penetration of a discount management program. Leveraging this sentiment data across a large pool of suppliers, we can learn a great deal about our early pay discount program. Here we can see there are some very, very large suppliers in our chain who are taking between 1/3 and 45% of their payments as early discounts. The question is, why is that? When we look at those that are talking about payment terms, that we can see here that they are reporting them as burdensome. They're constraining their cash flow, or maybe raising their borrowing costs. So this can tell us something about this particular program that we may need to adjust for very specific suppliers. Similarly, if we move to another area of cash flow management and we take a look at just the general discount offered, we'll see that there are also some other suppliers who are large but taking almost nothing in the discount program. And if we look at the why behind this behavior, we see from their comments is they're basically saying even when they take an early pay discount, the payment process is so slow, they're still paid 45 or 60 days later, which could be an accounts payable challenge that needs to be addressed in the invoice or maybe in the processing. So in this way, we can leverage this supplier feedback to get to the why on our discount program.